Are you tired of your Discord messages being ignored? Master the 4 ping types to get instant attention from anyone. First, open the right channel. Then, I'll show you how to ping specific users, roles, everyone, and only online members. First, open Discord and navigate to the channel or chat where you want to send the ping. To ping a specific user, type @ and their name, then select them from the list. To notify everyone with a particular role, type @ followed by the role name, like @admin. If you need to alert every single person in the channel, simply type @everyone. And to ping only those who are currently active or online, type @here. That's it. Happy pinging! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.